Are you seeing the tcl85.dll error during startup is a sign of a corrupted redistributable? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'm going to guide you through the official fix. I recommend the automated system scan for tcl85 to finish your setup in seconds. This is the tcl85, the TCL 8.5 interpreter core. It manages the localized execution of TCL scripts and provides the localized memory management for cross-platform legacy 32-bit localized engineering suites. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. tcl85 is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the tcl/tk file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error. Again, persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the tcl85 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like tcl85.dll from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on tcl85. Thank you for trusting us with tcl85 repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.